So today shit, got a different video. What I'm doing right now, I'm at a junkyard, as you can see. And the little cover right here for my truck is kind of ripped off. So I'm gonna just pull it off at this junkyard. I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna just get a brand new one and then replace it when I get back home. But let me take this off and then I'll come back to you guys. Alright guys, so I got the airbag off, as you can see. And it's these two wires you gotta take off. I took off this one already, I just gotta take off this one. Let's see. No cap, I ain't gonna lie. This one, it's in pretty good condition, but if I find some other ones, I ain't gonna lie. Alright guys, so I got it. Right now I'm finna look at some other stuff that I can possibly need for my truck. They got a whole transmission. So I think we still at 4, but like the SUV type. Bro, this shit crazy. Look at that. You could pull a whole engine out of here. Ooh, I think I found some old schools. Looking for OBS shit. Let's see what this is right here. I know it's a Ford, but I'm trying to see what type. Oh yeah, this is a Ranger. I'm trying to look for old school F-150. I think I found one. Okay. Motor's still in there. Damn. Look like they took off half. Let's look for another one, guys. No, they got it. There goes one right there. I think that's a Ranger, though. Yeah, that's a Ranger. 4.1 Ranger. Let's see. Let's look at the whole one. Supposed to be, okay, this is the F-150. Ain't completely gutted out. Got everything. Right now, guys, I'm trying to look for. Oh, let's see, they took one of the. I'm trying to look for a 351. But something that's, decent. Let me see. Yeah, they scavenged off that mug. Let's see what else we can find. Ford. Nissan Frontier. Got a whole Hemi motor in there. So I guess trucks is on this side. Dodge. They mixed. They didn't order them, so Dodge and Ford is mixed. And I seen a couple of Chevys over here too. Let's see what we got. What we can find. We're looking for we're looking for an old school F-250. see if we get lucky. I think this F-150. Guys, half of this stuff is just completely taken. Section 102. Let's see, this is a big yard, guys. It's my first time being here, so got what I needed. Got what I needed. But all right, guys. We got my stand. Let's see what we find. Look, probably the V6 one. Let me see. Oh no. This is 4.6 like mine. V8. Yeah. Let's see what they got. See how the interior is looking. I can come get some rims here too. God damn. Yeah. What else they got? Yeah, pretty much this stuff is, some stuff is good, but the good stuff is already gone, I bet. Shoot. It's pretty nice. That's another Mustang. Let's see. This is a 4.6. Yep. Oh no, this is the V6. It's the one I had. Damn, interior good. Automatic. Pretty nice. But yeah, I got what I needed, so I'm straight. But all right, guys, I'm gonna catch back up to y'all when I get home. Ooh, look at this Chevrolet. It's about damage though. Old school OG interior. Look at that, guys. Nice. But all right, y'all, I'll catch up to y'all later. Hey, y'all, we got the airbag. It was I looked it up before. A brand new one cost probably like 100 and something. So, you know, I just did half of that. So it was like around, it's gonna be around like 50 something, but he told me like 58. So I was like, I just got it because, you know, pretty good deal. And it's better than this. So now, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna have a brand new one. I just be, you know, getting tired of looking at this, bro. So I just got some. I'm gonna clean it up though and everything, but all right, let's get on the road, bro. But yeah, man, if y'all in Houston, Texas, bro, come to this Julia Park place, bro. They got everything. They even got goats. What the fuck? I ain't never seen no shit like that. Nah, but for real though, y'all need to let me look at the names. All right, guys, it is called Prestige Julia Park. If y'all ever in Houston, Texas, bro, come down to Prestige. It says right here, but it's really like over here, this area, shit. This way. Look how big the lot is, bro. Look at this, bro. I only was right here. I didn't even go all the way back here. You know what I'm saying? But shit, I'm gonna be back here. I gotta, you know, I'm gonna look at some more stuff. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, 5 stars. Prestige Julia Park, bro. Close at 5, bro. All right, y'all. All right, guys, we headed out of here. Oh, let me turn this down. I pull up stick on me, you know I'm thug and I'm rich, homie. Bad bitch get dick only. No money, no, I don't condone it. Yeah, I came in with the rollie. Now I got 8 people get white go, yeah. And usually after a day like this, when it's like hot as shit, you know what we do in Texas? We go get Whataburger, man. I'm finna go get some Whataburger. That's what I'm finna do. Then I don't know. I'll probably pick me up a little patty melt to go. And shit, go install this airbag on my truck. But yeah, I'll get back. Look at this, man. That's money. That's money on the back of them trailers, bro. They be making money over here, bro. Nah, but I'll focus y'all guys when we head to Whataburger. Alright guys, we made it to Whataburger and as usual. I mean the line not long, but bro, you'll never see Whataburger line short. So I got like 3 people ahead of me, but shit. Man, oh well. Comment down below, what should I get, bro? I'm thinking of a patty melt, but usually I get the shit, what I be getting? The sweet spicy bacon burger with no bacon. I don't eat no bacon. But shit, while we waiting in this line, guys, I've been looking at my channel and I got about how many views on one of them racing videos? I got like almost 500 some views, bro. Guess how many subscribers I got? 97. I appreciate the 97 that subscribed to me, but you others, bro, y'all gotta subscribe, bro. Please like, comment, and subscribe. That's all I ask you. And comment if you really tell me what I should do better in my videos, like, cause I'm here for you guys. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I like doing this shit, but I want to do this shit at the best of my ability. And y'all the viewers, so if y'all tell me what y'all like to see, then you know, I'll tweak it a little bit, but still within my perspective, you know what I'm saying? But you know, but yeah, man, I need a like, comment, and subscribe, bro, because we got some shit in store. I'm not telling, I'm not gonna explain everything, but I got something in store. Well, I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So we got a little junkyard build coming up. You know, me and my little brother, we gonna do something, but it ain't gonna be no, you know, it ain't gonna be no original stuff like all these other dudes do. We're gonna do something very different, and I ain't gonna lie, y'all, a lot of y'all gonna look at us crazy. Y'all gonna be like, bro, who does that? But we different. We lock it. We not like, God damn, bro, look at this. I'm gonna put this bitch up. Ooh, look at that Ford. Ooh, Ford Mustang. Yeah, but we different, bro. We talked about this, bro. We talked about this for a minute, bro. And me and my brother was like, man, we should do this shit. Like, nobody ever did this shit. Or nobody we ever seen did it. In Houston, in Texas. So, shit. When it's in the works, we gonna vlog it for y'all. Shit. We gonna put out so much content. And then, you know, we're gonna have a little race car. Race. Nah, I can't even say that. But, yeah, guys, just know it's something in the works. And it's coming up fast. And it'll probably be not finished, but we'll probably have all the stuff that we need by this upcoming summer, bro. But we're gonna be working on it during the winter, bro. Oh, that's gonna suck. Working on cars in the winter, man, bro. Just gotta do it, bro. Gotta do it. But all right, guys, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get at the fucking drive-thru. Hello? Let me get that sweet and spicy bacon burger, but take off the bacon.
What's your drink?
Sprite mixed with a lemonade, but a little bit of ice.
Anything else?
No, that's it. I appreciate it.
Any regular spicy ketchup?
Yeah, give me some spicy ketchup.
Can I get a name for the order?
Arun, AARUN.
1081, you can post it in.
All right, thank you. All right, guys, secured the bag. Got a little Sprite lemonade. Got the motherfucking sweet spicy bacon burger with some fries. Shit, I'm headed back home now. And then I'ma eat, and then I'll put the airbag in. And I'll show you how to do it. Alright, guys, just finished my water burger.
This nigga look bumped in.
Oh, nah, what in Houston had it?
It's in there.
Alright, guys, I just finished my water burger now. So we'll show y'all how to do this thing. Hold on, I gotta call my dad. Hold on, I gotta call my dad.
Got it.
But bro, remember how we did the Mustang, bro? It's kind of gonna be like that.
What do you mean?
The terminal.
Nah, this one way easy. Well, see if you can twist it first. See if you can twist
With
it.
my finger?
No, like, twist it like that. I was saying do it with the...
Oh, yeah, you can. The negative one you can.
Just keep going like this until it come off.
Let me explain to you what we're doing, though. What I need... Oh, you can start it.
Nigga, I've been recording. You been bullshitting.
Oh, yeah, my fault. All right, guys. So, to replace the airbag, I got to first disconnect the battery, take out the negative terminal first, then take out the positive one. Then, let me show you guys. When you get in the truck...
Shit ain't better than my Ford Ranger, though.
So, you're taking out the airbag in a Ford F-150 2002. See these little clips right here? I got it in my pocket. Hold on. See. The clips. They go in here, but I popped it off because it's an 8mm bolt that's going to be in there that you're going to have to take off. And then there's another one on the other side, but see how the steering wheel lock, just put the key in there, turn ignition, not all the way on, but turn it to where the steering wheel can like turn and stuff. And yeah, that's it. But so I think this one match the color.
Yeah, it's alright. Shit, it's just a sun been to it, so it's kind of burnt. Yeah, it might. No, like on camera, it's matching.
At least I can get rid of that shit. But
yeah, nigga, I remember I lift this shit up like this.
the whole flap came out.
It started doing that. Yeah, I lifted up and it started.
All right, guys.
I took your truck to the shop with a jack.
Oh yeah.
Nigga thought I said I took his truck.
Extension, then you get your 8mm bolt.
Mr. Clamping.
Hold on. All right,
Hurry up before you run the battery out this shit.
I know, that's why I gotta take out the battery, the terminal first.
Yeah, I don't know why you didn't do that. Close it. Show them the mechanic fit. Show them the mechanic fit. This nigga look. Look at that. No. Okay, no. Where that towel at? No, get the towel and cover that.
Let me see. Oh, yeah.
Cause you can start sparking shit. Cause it's still touching it. Did he take off both of his or he took out one of his?
He took out both.
He did?
That's why he covered this one up. It's crazy because that's what the nigga said on this.
Yeah. You got remember always do that if you're gonna do that. Cause if you like barely touching it, it's still gonna just.
I ain't gonna lie, this one kind of tough to take off.
Then we just take the socket and loosen it up.
Damn. Well, that's bigger than an 8.
Probably a 10.
I just think 10 in here too.
Yeah, make sure you put that tools back. You know how you get it.
Where my tools at?
I remember we told him we had to use a jack.
Yeah.
He said, "Oh, you use a jack? What'd you use it for?" He's like, "What you
Bro,
doing?"
that's the worst part. Okay.
It's 10.
I just seen it, bro. I was just in here and I. Oh shit. It's in here though.
You already lost that to it.
No, I did not. I'm glad. Oh my god.
What this is? What this say? Half inch. I'm gonna try half.
Try that. You go over there. Go over there and try it. Oh, wait.
I think the half one work. Yeah, I'm loosening it right now. All right, go ahead. Fuck.
Make sure you keep the.
Now you ain't gotta loosen all the way off. Just enough to twist it. There you go. Twist it back the other way. Yeah, get that there. Yeah.
So now.
Huh.
Let me see.
Yeah. I kind of forgot I had the key.
So, with the steering wheel and the ignition. Well, he said you can to make it easier because look.
Oh, it's gonna be wiggling? No, just hold it straight.
Yeah. God damn, I got it.
I got this hat on and shit keep falling off.
fucking extension's too fucking long. God. Oh shit, did I fuck it up?
What do you mean?
Yeah, it's on the Titan one. Alright. That's why.
You shouldn't even put that shit on.
Alright guys, we got the first boat out.
Took this nigga like an hour to get that shit
No,
on.
it didn't, nigga. It took probably like 5 minutes. So we're gonna go on the other side.
Put in the cup holder so you won't lose it.
No, nigga, I'm gonna put this shit right here.
That's the cup holder. Oh, okay. You
Not
want
a cup holder.
You want it in the console? Go ahead.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Now, gotta get the. Let me show them. So it's two sides that look the same. This right here. Gotta take that off.
Get the camera, pussy. Get out of there, pussy.
I know what I'm doing.
Run on how to work on shit. Look at me, nigga. Look at me, nigga. Cameraman. Best cameraman on YouTube, pussy. Nigga got YouTube strike. YouTube striked his ass. That's it. What you had did? That nigga had weed on that little YouTube. He had it in a video.
Yeah, nigga make me fuck up. Shut up.
Nigga, YouTube strike.
There you go. Alright, now you gonna make me lose some shit.
That shit was so funny.
Alright, so now we gotta get this other boat.
Damn, that shit just burnt my
That's
fucking
the
arm.
fuck you get.
God damn, that shit burned.
That's what you get. Pussy.
Close this knife.
Oh, I told him about the our project that we got doing. I ain't telling him everything.
What you mean you told him about the product? What you tell him?
I told him that we're gonna have something different.
You ain't telling him what actual vehicle it is, huh?
Nah.
You ain't telling him what actual motor it is, huh?
Nah.
You just told him we building something, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Don't let them know until we actually get the body.
I told him that.
Man, they gonna think we switched up so bad.
That's what I said.
They gonna think we
They
switched
gonna,
up.
I said they gonna hate us for it. But I said we lock it. We gotta be different. We can't be like everybody else.
Everybody, we're gonna be the only people in Houston that got one of these. Only people in Houston.
Man, this motherfucker. I see why Dad be getting mad when he works on the car.
Nigga sweating his ass.
Oh, you recording?
No, I'm not recording. I'm just holding the camera for no reason. Nigga, why you keep doing
I'm
that?
finna fire your bitch ass in my camera. Nigga, I'm paying you.
Yeah, Anthony Fuller. What's up, man?
Alright, so guys, we got the second boat out. So now, as you can see, we can take the airbag off.
Oh, yes.
Then we gotta pull the little
That's gonna be a good ass cuss.
Hold on, let me. It's hot than a motherfucker.
I think Anthony agitated because that heat. Nah, he not agitated. He was smiling.
I know, I see. Alright, so last time when I was at the junkyard, I had the little.
How you doing, brother? Oh, he went to
Always doing some nigga shit.
he went to Puyo Party. He got a whole new thing like this.
Oh, your horn went out?
No, the horn work. It's just he don't got the little symbol right there.
Oh, yeah. The front of your... Okay.
Yeah, so he just.
Oh,
bought a whole
yeah.
new-
I'm gonna just clean it.
he went to
Oh, you
Puyo.
went to pull bar and found one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's a
$50.
bunch of them.
Well, now you know how... When you got to change your horn,
Bro, they got
you
everything.
can look at the wire and see how to do it.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes go
Yeah, he
up.
paid $50 for that. He said online it was like $100.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's already used and shit.
You
Oh,
DoorDash?
see, this from the factory,
Yeah.
so that's not gonna be.
You just got to make... When you...
Okay, bet.
Just take a picture of where the wires is in it and
I
then
got it.
put them back in how they were.
No, it's just two plugins.
I know, but I'm saying...
Take a
Because when you said the back end,
Yeah.
whatever you take off, just make sure you remember where it go.
Oh, yeah.
So-
Alright, guys, we took out the old airbag. Time to put in the new.
That nigga done fucked up the whole steering
They
wheel. Look
playing
at
with
that.
me because it's hot, bro.
Boy got monkey sweat all over his
Man, look.
face.
This is the original.
Let me see something.
Look at that.
Make sure that shit not upside down when you put it in there.
The fuck, it has the plugins. You gotta.
Oh, it already got... Oh,
Yeah, that's
okay,
what I'm
already
saying.
had it on there. Okay, yeah, you
It's
just
two
got to pop that
plugins.
in.
The only thing is.
No.
Shit. Alright. Y'all niggas never. Oh, this nigga. Alright. So now.
You hook it on?
Yes, sir.
It don't... It's loose.
I know, I gotta put the bolts in.
on.
Oh, okay.
It's two 8mm
Oh.
bolts that go. I just gotta make sure.
See, that's what I want to do with my white Mustang. I wanted to take
Change the interior
the
and
parts
stuff.
that are worn. Yeah.
Yeah, they had the.
You know,
dad Mustang
all
back
you're
then.
doing is bringing up the value of the truck.
I was recording.
No, I didn't
Carry
record.
the truck around.
Oh yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
Yeah, go-
I got some dead presidents. All right, so now what I'm finna do, guys, is put the 8mm bolt back in there. I just gotta eyeball it.
You see, you already done fucked
Oh,
up.
I'm in the finger roller. Hold on. Oh yeah, it's a fact. This from the factory. You came straight from the factory. No, I got it from this fuck.
Yeah, you want me to hold it up?
See, that's why I like to turn the steering wheel. I got it from.
Yeah.
So the bolts go right there. So they're supposed to go.
Oh, he must have.
That's why you gotta hold.
He must have put a new motor in it, huh?
Well, everything is warranted. Damn. Everything. Huh?
Why the dude selling it?
Oh, cause they company was going down. So no, the
So
owner.
you
The,
bought a company truck.
yeah, the owner of the company passed away, and then they was selling their company, so they didn't need the trucks no more. I'm gonna have to hold this.
Hey, that's.
What movie?
So yeah, hold that up. Then I gotta twist it. Okay, then I gotta switch this.
The GT Mustang from that time.
Oh. So now the way.
Okay, it's in there. I just gotta finger roll it.
Finger roll.
Dad always using this shit for everything.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I had to use it.
You didn't want to use the socket to just tighten it?
What you mean? No, I'm trying to make sure it's in there, and then I'm gonna use the socket to tighten it up. All right, guys, this bitch took a long time, but can't see if y'all can see it. This bolt, goddamn. This bolt right here, if y'all can see it. We trying to line it up right. We gotta line it up, twist the steering wheel, and still make room. This way, room we was working with to, like, you know, tighten it up. But now we finna do the left side. All right, guys, we got both bolts in. You can see it. I don't know if y'all can see that. And there, that's the left side. Got it on the right. Now we just gotta put the battery terminal back in. We're gonna do a little drive along so y'all can see that. And hopefully the horn work. If it don't, shit, fuck it.
What do you mean, fuck, we don't care? If the old one don't work, then put the old one. No, if the old one don't work, put the old one back on. Twist that one down. That's all the way down.
Yeah, give me that little hammer.
The little towel over it, though. Well, if you're gonna hammer it, put the towel over it. Yeah, the car running. Huh.
Alright guys, we put the battery back in, and now to see if the horn works.
Yeah, it
Yes,
worked.
sir. I just gotta clean it off a little bit, you know, but it look better than this one. Hold on. I'm scared to even pick this motherfucker up.
Why you say that?
Better
I
than
forgot
this
there's an airbag in there. I forgot.
one. Yeah, let me go put
Did
this
that
on
shit come with an airbag in that one?
Yeah, it came with an airbag, nigga.
You seen it in there?
Yeah. I'm gonna put this on the floor because the guy said,
What the guy say?
oh, you're not fucking with that, put it on the floor. So he said it's not supposed to like explode, but if it does, it'll be somewhere not close by nobody. All right, y'all, we finna do a ride along.
Well, shit, don't leave it in the heat then. I'm gonna put it over.
Yeah. All right, guys. We finna do a ride along, and then I'll show you how it look while you're driving. All right, guys. I'll get back at you.
Nigga trying to get copyrighted. You gonna get a strike again.
Nigga, I'm gonna put some background music on that shit. 87.9. I don't care if I get copyrighted for this though, because no T-Block 1.
All you gotta do is just mention the people in the thing.
Alright guys, we're gonna ride around. See if it's, yes sir. Look good, look good, look good.
It look good, man.
Hopping in that big body. Full rotation, everything.
Exactly why y'all shouldn't speed through this motherfucker. People be doing crazy shit.
But yeah, guys, I just need to clean it off a little bit. You know, got a little dark skin. But out of all of them, this was like damn near the best one I've seen there.
It don't really even need to be clean. It matches the color of them.
Yeah, well, no, it's
I'm so used to seeing it without the little cover thing. It look weird.
It look weird. I'm just glad because I be feeling like that little flap thing will come up. I'd be scared that bitch gonna explode. But
Yeah, when the flap thing come up, it be blowing the horn sometimes.
all I want to do next, probably get a new radio.
Aftermarket radio.
Little aftermarket radio, and then just put some off-road wheels on that shit, and that'd be good. And I'm
Yeah, look at that Chevy right there on bricks. Look at that. That shit on bricks.
But we can't
Couldn't be
talk
Ford.
about Chevy no more because, you know what I'm saying?
Couldn't really know Ford.
You know, but we only ride
No.
Ford over here.
Well, we riding Ford. Ford motors only.
Ford motors on it. But,
Ford motors only.
alright guys, that's it for this video. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe.